Alright, so let me show you a quick demo of the amazing Motvio platform. The first thing that you want to do is actually upload a video. You can click here, upload, and then you'll be able to upload as many videos as you want. Okay, so in this case, for example, I'm going to upload this video. Okay, let's do this one right here. And it's going to be uploaded. You can see the upload bar here. And once your video is uploaded, it will be converted into several different formats, resolutions automatically, okay, like 240, 360, 480, 720, 1080. This is all done by our very special rendering and coding technology, okay. So as soon as your video is uploaded, you will go to videos here, all videos, and you will see it right here. As you can see, this is my video here. You can check all your uploaded videos. So this is the video that I just uploaded. The system creates thumbnails automatically for you, okay, and you can preview thumbnails here, okay. Plus, as soon as you can see the title, the date, actually the upload date and time. Plus, as soon as your video starts getting views, you will be able to see all the data here. You can see views, you can see subscriptions, click-through rates, comments, variations, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so the crazy thing about this app is that we are not uploading videos to our servers, but it's all cloud-based. All the data, all the videos from here are going to very special servers that are very, very powerful because there is no limit. Okay, you can also upload 2 gigabytes videos here, 3, 4, 8 gigabytes, literally any size. There's no restriction. Okay. So the big difference with most apps, most video platforms out there is that they can only let you upload 100 megabytes videos. With Motvio, there is no limit to the size of the video that you can upload. Okay, so now from here, either you can upload a new video by click on upload video here, or you can do a bunch of different things. For example, you can share and embed your video. Okay, and also you can do a bunch of other stuff here. Okay, let's go with share and embed first. Okay, so in this case, you have several different options. You can do an inline embed. You can copy and paste, okay, this code here, and you can place it on any of your sites. Just copy and paste. You can also change the size of your video here automatically. Pop over embed. This is if you want to embed this video into a pop-up, you can just grab this link, okay, and now the video will be embedded as a pop-up. Okay, you can see your preview here. Okay, so you can also add the text at the top. Okay, you add text here. Okay, now share link. This is the public link. Okay, and you can share it anywhere you want. You can also embed into your emails. Okay, if you do email marketing and you send a lot of emails out, you can just embed videos inside your emails. Okay, now let me show you quickly how you can create collections, because it's very nice. You can go to all collections. You can basically create unlimited collections and playlists for your videos. To create a new collection, you go here, create a new collection, and then you can name it as you want. Okay, and then you're gonna add all the videos that you have into your account, into your specific collection. Okay, now you can also edit your collection. Okay, let me show you here. I created this one right here, so I can show you. You can edit, share as a playlist, add image for your collection, similar as this one, and also delete. Okay, so in this case, if you click on share as playlist, okay, you're going to share this collection as a playlist. You can take the embed code and embed anywhere you want. Okay, or you can just take the public link, okay, right here, and you can basically share it anywhere, and all your videos, all your playlist, I mean the videos in your playlist would be displayed just like in a YouTube playlist. And this is actually great. Okay, actually let me show you here, because it's perfect for streaming. If you want to promote products, affiliate products, Amazon products, Shopify stuff, you can showcase them right here. Okay, they will be showcased here, and this is similar to YouTube. Okay, as a playlist on YouTube. And you can also edit. We can also have some very cool features here. You can pause the video while typing, which means that if someone is going to type here in the comments, it's going to automatically stop the video. Okay. You can also edit your collection right here. You can edit name, title, description, and the page it's SEO optimized as well. Okay, now let me show you some pretty cool features here. Okay, you have a ton of different customization options for your videos. Okay, you can set pretty much anything. Okay, visibility, privacy. Let me show you. Okay, you have visibility and privacy options. This is to set exactly who can watch your videos. Appearance, to change the branding of your player. Thumbnails, to create thumbnails for your videos. Player controls, to set specific video control options for your users. Call to actions, this is you can apply several different call to actions to display on your videos. And then we have email subscription. This is to collect leads, okay, from your videos. And overlay ads and roll actions, this is to monetize your account with image and video ads, okay. And also we have some video settings as well. This is basically for related videos and custom, like to protect the player, the branding of your player, okay. So and also we have Motvio has a ton of different features as well. We have 100+ features in the platform. It's crazy. You can check also the analytics, okay, of your videos. You can check pretty much like a very deep analytics of about all your videos. And also we use a special pixel tracking technology to track everything about your videos, okay. Link clicks, leads, add to carts, purchases, page views, booked appointments, a ton of different stuff. We also have A/B split testing here. This is very nice because it lets you test split test 2 or more different videos, so you can see which one is converting better, okay. You can split test as many different metrics as you want, okay. Plus, of course, we have another amazing features, the teams features right here at the top. Basically, you can create teams of people you can assign roles to manage all your projects, collections, playlists, everything, okay. You can create as many teams as you want, okay. You just go here, create team. You'll be able to create as many teams as you want. Plus, of course, emails. This is to export all your emails, your leads. Integrations, you'll be able to integrate as many autoresponders as you want, okay. This one is what we have right now. Plus agency, this is for advanced users. Basically, it gives you the power to run the software as a company, okay, and do tasks in bulk, creating, managing own clients inside Motvio, creating invoices, boomerang videos, storyboards, and a ton of different stuff, okay. So I think that's it for now. I gave you a quick overview of this amazing Motvio video platform. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on board.